Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. This is the first ever locally assembled Porsche model in Malaysia, the Porsche Cayenne, and in today's video, I'm going to show you every detail about this SUV. Standard equipment on the exterior front of the CKD Cayenne include a Porsche dynamic light system, 21-inch RS Spider design wheels, as well as a roof rails. For 58,000 ringgit, buyers can opt for the Exclusive Manufaktur Package, which adds a sports exhaust system, sport design package, tinted LED headlights and taillights, as well as Porsche logo LED door lights. Boot space in the Cayenne is massive. You get a tonneau cover, a false boot floor. This is where you hide your space saver spare wheel, and a button for you to adjust the height of the air suspension. There is only one variant of the locally assembled Cayenne available in Malaysia, and it's powered by a 3-litre turbocharged V6 petrol engine pushing out 340 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission to drive all 4 wheels. For 550,000 ringgit, which is about 115,000 ringgit cheaper compared to the CBU model, you get superb equipment in this CKD Cayenne. For example, you get a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters, you get a quad zone climate control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, you get both surround sound system, a panoramic sunroof, as well as 14 power weight adjustments for the front seats. You also get the Sports Chrono package as standard, as you can tell from this clock in the center dashboard here, as well as the Sport Response button on the steering wheel. Seated in the back seats of the Cayenne, I have the front seat adjusted to my usual driving position, and you can see it looks like I have no knee room, but you get slidable rear bench, so you free up about 3 tennis balls worth of knee room space in the footwell aplenty. Center passengers will not have too much of an issue despite of this little hump, because there's just plenty of space for you to move about, and you get reclining rear seats. Other amenities in here include 2 rear back pockets, rear air vents with independent fan controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, a center armrest with 2 cup holders, powered sun blinds, and matching red seatbelts. Deliveries of the locally assembled Porsche Cayenne starts in March 2022, and test drives are available at your nearest Porsche center. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of the idea of a CKD Porsche? Yay or nay? As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.